Halo makanku lovers, let's unboxing makanku Tikka Masala Chicken Square Box. Remove plastic cover. Take out all the things inside. You will find rice, dish, sambal, spoon, and heating pad. Put the rice into the bowl, then flatten. Put the dish on top of the rice. Pour some water into the box up to given limit. Put the heating pad into the water. Close the box and wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the box. Put sambal on it. Here you go, makanku Tikka Masala Chicken ready to eat. Makanku modern, ready to eat, healthy food.